Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. My name is Anne. I'm a digital marketer, mainly dealing with social media marketing. And in today's video, I want to walk you through how you can start your own Facebook page. In the current world, digital marketing is the way to go. This is where the business is moving to. And if you're still relying on people to walk through your business and make a purchase, then you're missing out on so many people that you can convert to be your customers. And one way of converting people to be your customers is reaching them through an online presence. There are billions of people who are using social media in the world every single day. And so if you don't have an online presence, then your business is likely to suffer because this is where the business is going. We are dealing with customers who want to browse and shop online. And if you don't have an online presence, then you're missing out on a large number of people that you can convert to be your customers. Social media marketing includes marketing your products through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can also include other digital platforms like using a website, email marketing. There's a lot that you can do from your phone or from your computer and make money doing it. How you can make money through your phone or your computer is one, becoming a social media marketer like myself. I market products on behalf of on behalf of my clients, and I get paid for it. You can also create, like I'm going to show you, your Facebook page and also other social media platforms, and then list your products, promote them, and people will see them, like them, and make a purchase online. And your job will just to receive money and make the delivery. So in today's video, we're going to look at how you can create your own Facebook page to get started. If you don't have a Facebook page and you have a product at home or in your shop and you'd like to start getting an online presence, then I'm going to walk you through how you can get started and start promoting your products. So I've logged into my Facebook page. So what Facebook normally does, sometimes they change the settings or where they put such buttons. So sometimes it can be to your left, but right now it's here on the top. So you just come here and click create. Then you click on if you want to create a page or a group or event or an ad. But we are doing a page, so we click on page. Then you need to come and choose what are you from. Do you want to open a page for a brand or a business, or is it a community like an NGO, a public figure, a celebrity, a politician, whatever public figure you are. So in this case, let's choose this one. Then I will start building the page. So choose a name. I'm sure by the time you reach here, then you'll have decided on a name that you'd want to use. I'll show you a way that you can search and find out if the same name that you want to use is available in Instagram, Twitter, and other platforms. So let me get a name and so that we get started together. So let's say I want to open an online shop for my sneakers. So I'll give it a name, Smart Sneakers, and then category, shopping and retail. Put in your address, your phone number, which is optional, then check on that and click continue. The next page will prompt us to upload a profile picture. Now let me show you how you can get a profile picture for anything that you'd want to use. If you have a profile picture, you can put it here. But if you don't have, we can get it online and make a nice profile picture for your page. So let's go to pexels.com, pexels.com, and here we can get anything, and these photos are free to use. So we're looking for sneakers. Let's use these ones. So we just click download. It's downloaded. Then we go to canva.com. Canva.com will allow you to make a lot of designs. So we want to make a logo. Come here and choose a nice logo. And see how we can edit and change it to what we want. Let's go ahead, download it. Then go back to Facebook and upload it. Now, as you can see here, we made the cover photo, which is our logo, using using Canva, and I got the photo from pexel.com. The same photo is what I use to make profile pictures. So you get the photos from pexel.com, or if you have your own photos, you can use them, and then head to Canva and create your own logo. So here it is, and I think it looks beautiful. The next thing is to put info in your page, like your contact, your website, your location. So you start doing by doing a description about your product, and when it comes to description, you need to make sure that you put the right keywords, because when people are searching, your keywords will help your page rank. So when I'm doing my description, I'll make sure that I write about sneakers. So I'll make sure that I mention sneakers. I'll mention sport shoes. I'll mention about gym. Keywords and related keywords are very important when you're doing your description. That way your page will rank and it will be noted by Google. When you're done, you save changes. Categories is already written there. You can put in your contact, very important. If you want people to reach you through your phone, put in your website there, your email, and then you can put in your location there. On your left, there's a lot that you can be able to do to work on your page. Like you can add your Instagram account there and your WhatsApp. If you want to create roles, like if you want someone else to be an admin or do ads for you, you can create roles there. On your page, you can add a button. This is very important. So it's a call to action on what you want people to do. Do you want them to book an appointment with you? Do you want them to call you? Do you want them to shop now? Shop with you? Whatever that you need people to do, you just come and click what you want them to do, like shop now. For example, shop now, that is what will show. So now here I'll put my e-commerce store, the website link there, and then if I want them to shop from my Facebook, then I'll send them to the Facebook page, and then I click on finish. And then now you can go ahead and start doing. You can put in your first post. So the secret to a successful Facebook page is always giving value to your followers. Do 80% posts that add value to your people or to your customers, and 20% selling. So don't just do posts of selling. Just create value to them. Show them about how to clean maybe white rubbers, or how to maintain their sneakers. Do a video, do a post, do a blog about it, and add value to them, and you'll be able to maintain them and they'll keep buying from you. I hope this video has been of value to you. You can now be able to open your own page, or open a page for your client or a friend or family member. And if you need help, just go to the description. You'll find my email address there. We can be able to help you and get started even doing Facebook ads and other social media platforms where you want your ads to be done. Just contact us and we'll be able to sort you out.